いうとこ。
うん。
タコスって見えるよ。ストリートタコス。
ポロアサーダ、カルネアサーダのあれだ。書いてある？早っ。
Oh, this is a great story. Ariel fell in love with a book. Then King Triton got all mad and told Sebastian the Crab to watch over her.
You gonna miss me, girl.
But otherwise,
'She's on the trolley. Okay. Oh, everything's fine. Yeah. Bring the reinforcements. Yeah. Bring the shackles. Okay. Yeah. Everything's good. Everything's great. Everything's great. Yeah. We're coming up toward Buena Vista Street Station, folks. Please wait in your seats until we come to a complete stop, and we have to open our doors. And let me see. I'll just ask you to see how many are riding. If not, looks like you're gonna be the ones riding. Hey, hey! Oh well, yeah. It's gotta be 20 on the seat. So yeah, we have only one lap sitter is required, guys. So we're good. Thank you. So if someone wants to, there you go. So guys, just to let you know, Soaring Around the World is one of our lightning lane attractions. It's 20 minutes right now. You will not see this all day long. And Incredicoaster is 15 minutes. Thank you.
しかもあれだ、ブエナビスタの内側の方がいいの？結構速い。あー、結構じゃない、かなり速い。あー、怖い。あー、あー。
The tornado has passed and our concert is ending. Stay seated until your silly symphony swing comes to a complete stop. Silly Symphony.
これ行ってみるかな？行ってみるかな？はい、okay, thank you. あ、おー、やばー、ウェインガーデン。バスローブが売ってるよ。
みたいなバスローブ。
おお、100ドル。グランドカリフォルニア限定の。うん。
just for today. Ooh, Gracie, look at
What do you want?
Eureka フィットネスセンター。あ、これプールの入り口か。おお、クルーズラインが。
Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're embarking on a Grand Circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. We'll be stopping at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the primeval world and the age of the dinosaurs before returning to Main Street Station. As we begin our journey, remember that for a safe trip, you need to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your children. Our first stop is New Orleans Square Station. But to get there, we need to pass through the wilds of Adventureland. It may seem peaceful through here, but trust me, it's a real jungle out there. Literally. So be on the lookout. You just never know what might be lurking along the rails. Just ahead is New Orleans Square Station. This station also serves Frontierland and Critter Country.
Hi there, friends of now arriving at New Orleans Square Station. Please remain seated until the train comes to a full end. Thank you.
Stop. And watch your step as you're getting on. For those of you continuing on with us, we'll be resuming our trip in just a moment. This is New Orleans Square Station. New Orleans Square.
Hi there, friends. Welcome aboard. Please remain seated. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train at all times. Please supervise the little ones to make sure they're seated as well and seated away from the train opening on the right-hand side. Our next stop will be 270. Thank you.
Vámonos a la entrada principal para ver si de casualidad nos encontramos a las personas.
For those just joining us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Speaking of critters, this place we're passing over is home to a whole bunch of them. Here in Critter Country, you can join Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, Brer Rabbit, and Brer Bear on their fun-filled adventures. As we steam past Hungry Bear Restaurant, the last outpost in these parts, we're now joining up with the rivers of America and entering the frontiers that looked more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, there's natural beauty as far as the eye can see. Indian shaman sharing his story with those in the Great River Valley below. People like you are gliding the rail since the 1800s, traveling through nature's wonderland in a matter of days, rather than the months it used to take by mule or stagecoach. Steam power not only fueled these iron horses, but the dreams of a whole new generation that moved west into this great frontier. Of course, some of those dreams and the stories that went with them were pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable. Like on Big Thunder Mountain, where I hear that mysterious spirits have grabbed hold of those mining trains and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Once again, friends, please remain seated so the train comes to a full stop. Thank you.
The train comes to a full stop. Remember your personal belongings and step carefully